In this video, we will be testing the new Cant hook and the new top handle chainsaw. This saw, it's the CS355-T from Echo. This Cant hook is a little bit ugly, but we did add a base to it, which is detachable. And the base can be used to lift up the logs like this, so you can easily just cut the end. Cutting this dead oak a little bit. It definitely isn't as powerful as the other saws, but it's still doing pretty good, but I can't push too hard, otherwise it'll stall. Now cutting this pine apart so we can make it into a biochar. Some of the pine has already been pre-cut a little bit, but now I'm cutting this nub off, and now I can finish cutting through it. And the Cant hook, especially with the stand, makes it so much easier to cut through stuff. Now I'm timing cutting through about a 12-inch diameter pine. It is a tiny bit rotten, as you can see, and the saw stalled a couple times, so the time might not be 100% accurate. But anyways, it took about 25.5 seconds to cut through the pine. Now I'm cutting a little bit more of the pine. This seems to have a little bit more rot. But you can see the nice action of the Cant hook lifting the log, so it's easy to cut. And for bucking logs like this, you really need a rear handle chainsaw because it's hard to leverage off of anything other than this part of the handle. So I would recommend a rear handle chainsaw for bucking logs. But this still is a very good chainsaw. I'll show the Cant hook moving this 8-foot long red oak. This is the Cant hook with the stand on. It's pretty easily able to lift what I estimate to be about a 400-pound log. This Cant hook is definitely very strong, and it would be better if we had multiple. And this Echo saw was from a friend, so if you're watching this, thank you very much for this. But this saw works pretty well, and I would definitely recommend one if you can get your hands on one.
I have a Discord server, link is in the description. Please subscribe.